Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial. Today we're based in Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to change the color of people's t-shirts and people's clothes within Photoshop. I have an example in front of you here of the exact same gentleman, and as you can see he has two different colored t-shirts, and I did that myself by using a couple steps within Photoshop, and what I'd like to do is show that to you and make it a lot clearer for yourself. Okay, so I have the original image open on another tab, like so. Now, what I would need to do is I'd first of all need to make a selection around our t-shirt here. Okay, so what I need to do is let's get our layers out. So if we go to Window, we're going to go to Layers. Now, I'm going to duplicate the layer first of all, just so that we're working non-destructively. The shortcut to do that is Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows. Fantastic, and as you can see now, we have two of the same layers sitting on top of each other. Now, I'm going to use my object selection tool, and we're going to make sure the mode is on lasso, and with the top layer highlighted, what I'm going to do is come through here, make a very loose selection around our t-shirt like so. Fantastic. That's using the Adobe's artificial intelligence called Adobe Sensei to do that for me. I just need to improve that selection. As you can see, it's including his arms here and missing a little bit on the bottom. So I need to come and add and subtract from this selection using our options up here. The first thing I'm going to do is subtract from my selection. So I'm just going to make a very loose selection around what I would like to remove, like so. Come around to the original bit there. Lovely, that's a bit better, I'd see. And we need to improve the bottom bit here. So now we're going to add to the selection, and yet again, come through and make a very loose selection, like so. Wonderful. Now we've made our selection. What we would need to do is apply an adjustment layer, and that adjustment layer is a gradient map. So I'm going to come to our icon here, and we're going to scroll down, and as you can see, we have gradient map. Now, the gradient map preview bar here tells me what gradient map and colors are being applied. So what I'm going to do now is start to change that, but I want to edit the gradient. So I need to click on the bar here, which will bring up our gradient editor. The left stop here is for our shadows, and our right stop here is for our highlights. And as you can see, it's black and white. So if you were now to start changing them, you'll notice the t-shirt, the selection will change. Let's go for a nice sort of dark blue color, let's say. Perfect. So then we're going to press OK. And then we're going to come to a highlight option up here. And we're going to go for another bluey kind of color. We're going to go for a nice sort of light blue, let's say. And as you can see, because we're applying a gradient map uses the shadows and highlights of the layer below to improve and to really give that realistic gradient being applied. As you can see, the creases in the t-shirt, the folds in the t-shirt are looking very realistic. And if I press OK, as you can see, I have now changed the color of this gentleman's t-shirt. If we were to turn off the gradient map at the top here by just using the eye on the layer, as you can see, I've completely and utterly changed the color of this gentleman's t-shirt. And there you go, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, take a look at our Instagram. There's some really cool stuff on there by really talented students. And also, guys, we're releasing tutorials on a weekly basis. So if you want to find out more about any cool effects or any cool softwares within the Adobe world, please check them out. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.